What is good, YouTube? I'm back with another video. We're gonna do some back testing today. Okay, it's gonna be plain and simple. We're gonna keep it short and simple. Okay, so this is Monday 27 Jan 2025. So until the 31st. Okay, so Monday we don't have any news. Perfect. Okay, so let's see over here. I'm sorry for it being so laggy. Okay, so we have 15k in the balance. We are trying to flip it. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so let's just skip a bit forward. Okay, so let's see. So this is London lows. We don't have any highs. My bad. Okay. So let's quickly see something. Where is this 79 extension? I'm not gonna use this LGBTQ thing. Okay, wait. Give me one sec. Uno sec. Okay. I am back and better. So let's see. Okay, so I just fixed my fib retracement. So let's see what is the 4 hour doing. Holy lag. Okay, so so as we go and see over here, this is going to be the 79, which are we looking for an entry. Let's put this over there. Okay, so now we can scale down a bit. Okay, so let's see what market open does. We have lots of lows in the bottom to go and grab. So let's see if we go and grab them or not. Okay, so we're spiking up, sweeping out those highs. Okay, we're seeing still continuing up. Okay, so we did have a manipulation down. Okay, causing a, if I'm not mistaken, yes. Okay, so as you can see here, we broke 1 minute structure. not the best confluence, but it is a break of structure, you know what it means. So okay, so let's just see how price acts a bit more. Definitely bearish for the day. Okay, so we also have a 3-minute break of structure over here. My bad. Okay, so which we could have entered off. Okay, it's not the best confluence, but it is a confluence. Okay, putting our stops like I just said in my other video, putting it above those highs. Okay. Okay. Damn, this is gonna be a crazy all. Okay. Yeah. 5 bands for why? Did I? Guys, sometimes you do stuff that you do regret after you have already done it. Okay, this is the trade that I want to take, so we are going to skip it 30 minutes. Let's see. Oh, okay, and we just move sideways. Damn. Okay, so we did get stopped out. As you can see over there, just price is moving sideways, not doing anything. Absolutely horrible. This is absolutely horrible. Okay, let's move on to the next day. So it's going to be Tuesday. Let's just check if there's Jan 27. No, we don't have anything. Whoopsie. Okay. Okay. This looks like a very bullish day. Sweeping out all those lows over there. Inversing this 5-minute gap over here. I think I'm a bit too late for an entry. Maybe we can wait for a retracement. Okay, so as we see, we come down sweeping these lows, all of these lows over here. Okay, except this one. Okay, so we see we have an inverse over here. I need to fix my things so badly. It's not even funny. Okay, so now we're gonna wait for retracement into that block or not. Okay, so let's quickly see this. Okay, so this would have been my TP1. Okay, you see we swept out this, yeah, 4 lows over here. We swept out 4 lows, and then I would have targeted, okay, I would have targeted that high. So let's see. Okay, boom, TP smashed, and then my next TP would have been into this block over here, this range. We just mock it out. It would have been the in, yeah, like the, I would have left one runner in all the way, like we did today. Okay, I don't see, there is a trade that we could have taken after this 1 minute, after this 5 minute inversion. Okay, so we see here, okay, so this is where we inversed it. Okay, so we inversed here, no, my bad, we inversed here. Okay, we could have entered off this one. That's short, we could have entered off this break of structure, this 1 minute break of structure, putting our stops below this low, even below this low. Okay, targeting those highs which got smashed. Okay, you didn't even have to, you can put it beneath that low even, it all depends on you. Okay, next day, let's go. Let's put in the work, let's put in the hours and take roughly what's ours. Okay, Wednesday. Let's check for Wednesday. FOMC 9:30 PM. Doesn't bother us. We don't trade at 9:30. Okay, let's see if price actually revisits this place. I'll leave this block here. I definitely think we're going to revisit that. It's just a matter of time. Okay, so Wednesday we don't have any news. We saw now. Okay, holy. Okay, so much is lots happening over here. So we have this 30-minute break over here. Okay, bro. Okay, hopefully we do sweep out. I can't even say, bro. I can't even say. Because okay, so let's see on the higher time frames quickly. As you guys can see, we are gonna target that high now. Definitely think so. Okay. Okay, so now we are waiting for sweep work and meek work. Okay, so we're sweeping out all those lows, we're targeting that high, I'm telling you. Okay, we scale down a bit. Okay, so now okay, so we see here we're having a breakout. Okay, so we broke structure over here. We have a fair value gap over here and over here. So let's see what price does off it. Okay, so we don't close below this fair value gap, having bullish pressure out of it. Okay, I'm gonna put a lot in. And the reason is because otherwise you guys are gonna tell me I can't trade. So I'm gonna put long positions in here. I'll start below this low. Okay, this is gonna be TP1, TP2. Okay, and then final take profits is gonna be these highs over here. Oh well, this open gap over here. Okay. So let's see if it plays out. 30 minutes. No, it does not. Okay, so we get stopped out immediately. Boom. Meaning we move on to the next day. It looks like we wanna fill this gap again over here. Because it is. Let me quickly check something. Oh, no, wrong one. Okay. So this is equilibrium. We're probably gonna tap EQ, move higher, or we might come into this range. So let's see. Boom. Okay, see, we're tapping out of it, getting bullish pressure out of it, so we just should have been patient, but already too late to even. Yeah, it's 9 o'clock. We don't check times that late to be trading. That's not us. Just see something. We're still running, we're still good, we're still chilling. Okay. So let's go to the next day. It's gonna be Thursday. Whoopsie. Bro, this FX replays tweaking sometimes. 16:30. Okay. Okay, so we see we are gonna sweep out those highs. Oh, okay, wait, maybe we sweep it out now before market open. Well, pre-market, market open, same thing. Okay, so we see we did come into this block having bullish pressure out of it. Okay, so that means that we do have active orders over here by this equilibrium over here. Okay, and then we can do this with this one as well because it's prominent. Prominent. Okay, we have EQ over here and we have okay, so the reason why I'm doing this is because if anywhere where price comes into this range, we know we're in the golden zone. Okay, so let's see, we want to see either these highs getting swept out or all of these relative equal highs, or we are going to sweep out lows targeting those highs. It's going to be either one of them. We just have to be patient and see. Okay, so let's see what market open does. Straight up nothing. Wait, let's see. Oh, so nice. Okay, so we did sweep out those highs on market open, the 5-minute highs. Well, those highs over there, we didn't sweep out those. Okay. Okay, so we inverse this 1-minute gap over here. But we want to see, we're seeing bullish pressure out of this one. This is the one that we want to see getting inversed for us to. Oh my bad, I forgot about this. Okay, so Thursday we don't have anything, just natural gas is 5:30, 5 and 5:30. Okay, so we're gonna have to check out for that. Okay, so this is. Okay, so there we go. We're targeting those highs and just before it we dump. Okay, so at least we're sweeping up all these highs that I wanted to sweep out. Okay, so now we can look for possible entries after having a retracement. Okay, so now we're gonna boom, there's our retracement, waiting for a break. Oh, this is wonderful. Okay, boom, it's a late entry, no problem. Putting your stops above the high. Okay, targeting TP1, okay, and then TP2 over here. Okay, so let's see if this is a much better day. Okay, so I'm gonna place an order over here to sell. Gonna buy 10 contracts over here. I think it's gonna be almost the same. Okay, it's a bit less. Okay, so trade is set. Let's see what happens. Okay, buddy. Okay. So as you guys see, we did come down. Boom, 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 boom. Smack work. Don't even have to explain anything. Okay, so let's go on to the next and the last day of this week in January. Okay, so it's going to be Friday 16:30. One sec, guys. Okay, I'm back. So as you guys can see over here, we are massive bullish for the day. Okay, one sec. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're sweeping out London high over here and Asia high. Okay, all we are gonna wait for now is a fat retracement, or we are gonna let's see. Okay, so there's more legs up. Okay, having a move down, not good enough. It's already 5 o'clock. Bro, this is what? Yeah, no bro. This is just, yeah. On a day like this, there's usually FOMC. Yeah, what did I tell you? And PMI. You see, and FOMC. Yeah, that's why I don't trade on days like that. Perfect. Okay, so wait, let me just reopen. As you guys see, we only up a band, 1.4. But so far, this whole account looks profitable. As you guys can see, we have 2k negative, okay, 1k. You see, guys, something I've learned over the few years of, well, this new year of trading is that you guys need to, how can I put this? You need to be cautious of where and why you're taking your trades, because the market moves in different ways, different times, so you need to stay locked in, stay dialed in the whole time to be active when the market moves, so you need to be ready. But yeah, it's gonna be, this is not a short video, it's half an hour, my bad. Yeah, it's gonna wrap it up, and I shall catch you guys in the next video. Peace guys.